Hello guys. How are you doing? Hope you all doing well. My name is Qasid, and you are watching Native Vocabulary. So, in this video, we will show you the conversation between a waiter and two visitors. So without wasting time, let's start the conversation.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. I will be your waiter today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yeah, I would like an iced tea.
What is special in the appetizers?
Ma'am, we do have an entire section roasted and barbecue and vegetarian and non-vegetarian, which is quite popular with our customers. You can try any of that.
Okay, I will have chicken wings with salsa dip.
Order for the next course now, or do you need a few minutes?
I think we are ready. I will have tomato soup and roasted chicken with mashed potatoes at Pies.
I will just have fish with smashed potatoes and a salad.
Would you like to order anything in dessert?
I will have an apple pie.
I will have an ice cream sundae.
Thank you, ma'am.
After finishing up the meals,
Could we have the check, please?
Sure, ma'am. In a moment.
Please make it snappy.
And here is your bill, ma'am.
Thanks. Here you go.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead. Discussion of meanings. Appetizer means an appetizer is the first course of meal. It consists of a small amount of food. Roast. It means when you roast next or other food. You cook it by dry heat in an oven or over the fire. Salsa. It means salsa is a hot spicy sauce made from onions and tomatoes. So last one is make it snappy, means make it quick.